Today is my birthday. It's a special birthday for a special birthday boy. And I'm gonna tell you something, sports fans. I'm feeling like a chicken. I had chicken. I woke up after only a handful of hours of sleep. I'm feeling like a book. My neck hurts, my back hurts, my chicken hurts, my book hurts. It's incredible. I'm feeling incredible. It's unbelievable, actually. I am a chicken plush toy. I've also been doing a lot of running and making a lot of progress in my cardio. I'm feeling like an old man. I haven't taken a fucking bath since I was a chicken.